Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So if you're in the US and probably other parts of the world, you'll know that there is a very large game happening with two teams, the Chiefs and the Buccaneers. For the last couple years, at least, I have done a who will win painting. And actually both years my prediction has been completely correct. So I'm going to do it again. And basically I'm going to fill up two bowls with the team colors. We're going to flip cup both and kind of see which one overtakes the canvas. Last year it was actually pretty even and it ended up being a really close game. I don't say what the game is just so you guys know because there's can be like copyright issues, but you should theoretically know what I'm talking about. Or I don't know if copyright's not necessarily the right word, but okay, so both teams have white. On this side, we're going to do Buccaneers. On this side, we're going to do the Chiefs. So we're going to do, the Buccaneers have gray, but I was going to basically do white, black, orange, and red. So I'll put that black right next to the white so we can get some gray. And then orange and red. And for KC, we'll do white, black, red, and gold. I'll fill this pretty much up to the top. This is a 10 by 20 canvas. So, okay. I think that should be plenty for that. Now the goal is also not to get too much pink. So let's go ahead and we'll go in here with the gold, and I made this a pretty yellow gold because for the Chiefs it's pretty yellow gold. All right, black and red. Do a bit more gold and then a bit more white. So try not to go too heavy on the black there. All right. Now, also what we're going to do is we're going to have a little game. So in the comments below, let me know who you think is going to win. Now, of course, you can't keep guessing after the game has started. So for everyone that guesses before the game has started, you'll be entered to win this painting if you get the correct answer. So we won't know until the end of the game who actually won. So, but put your guesses down in the comments, and if the team that you guessed wins, then you'll be entered to win this painting, no matter where you are in the world. And you don't have to guess. You can also just leave a comment about whatever. All right, so I'm going to pull these up. And nobody go making comments about how, oh, you didn't pull them up identically or whatever. I'm doing pretty close to even here. All right. And go ahead and tilt. That's pretty fun using that orange. So last year, both teams had really similar colors. Like they basically had the same colors other than like the red was a little bit different, but they were both red, and the gold was a little different, but they were both gold. So it was a little. All right, I'm trying not to let my bias into this either, because I do have a certain team that I want to win. Trying to let the paints do the guessing. Well, either way, this is a gorgeous painting. So, all right. It looks like it's going to be a very close game. I actually cannot tell which side is more dominant, because they both overlapped really well. Like, look at this. So KC comes all the way here, and Buccaneers go all the way there. It's actually quite even, I think. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit here for a little bit, and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. All right, we're back. So a little more activity in here. I'm still not entirely sure which one is more dominating, but I do know that I absolutely love this piece. So let's do our close-up. All right, lower right-hand corner. That beautiful orange in there. And there's no silicone or anything in here, guys. All of these are just acrylic paints mixed with floetrol and water. Materials will all be in the description. Look at that fun pattern in there. Nice bright red. Some really fun cells over here. Yeah, I just pretty much love everything about this. Like sparkly gold. And the nice dividing line. Lots of fun things. I could stare at this for a while. Look at these little red veins in here. So there you go. All right, guys, enjoy the game. Enjoy the commercials. Have fun. Let me know down in the comments who you think is going to win. Whether that be your team or not, just who do you think is going to win? And after the game is over, I'll pick a winner and I'll do an announcement video on that, okay? So, I'll see y'all next time.